Welcome back to the 30-day declutter challenge. I'm here with my mom, Kathy.
Hi.
And we are going to be doing week 4 at her house. We're just going to work through each day in this video. And if you would like to join us, you can download this from the blog post over on my blog, which I will have linked down below. And you can also join the email list to get this sent straight to your inbox. First on the list, unused candles or decor.
It's going to be a scavenger hunt.
Okay.
I don't really have a lot of candles, but if I do, they'd be in the bathroom.
Okay, that's interesting.
This is where I keep candles and everything else. Okay. I don't have any more candles. That's not a candle. That's a
Smelly thing.
Smelly thing. Okay, so smelly stuff that you put in a bottle and it stinks.
Diffuser stuff.
Yeah, I never use it. And look, I have this old dried out bottle. It was a limoncello bottle from Italy. I think I'm going to get rid of this now because it's just full of dust. We don't use that.
Okay, so
Nobody
those
uses
two are
that.
going.
Have you tried Poo-Pourri? It's a spray. You spray in your toilet, you know. Okay.
You don't use that.
I don't use it. I'm going to get rid of it.
Okay.
I don't need to fill this up with this. And there's 2 other smelly bottles.
But you're not really into the smelly stuff at all.
No,
So you haven't, looks like you haven't used it this
No, this stuff's been here. Well, I went there in 12. So
long time to
10,
say that.
10 years.
And that's the good thing about this list is you can customize it for what you need to get rid of. So these are actually kind of decor and then also what you would consider almost like a candle, like a smoky candle.
All right.
Okay.
That would be just a big relief. I can then clean off the shelves in there.
Yeah, way easier.
Yeah.
Next on the list is picture frames you're not displaying or don't want anymore.
I have a bin with some things in it, but I have some old picture frames in here.
Okay.
And pictures that I don't ever display anymore, so I can go through and get some of these out. Old blue one. Oh, and I want to reframe this. This is a wood frame. I want to scan that picture, make it bigger. So.
Yeah.
And then this one.
4 frames.
Yeah.
And you had mentioned that you were putting some of this stuff in here because you weren't sure about it, kind of thing.
Right. I don't display them anywhere, so I've just been holding on to them. So it's
you're keeping this.
Yes.
Okay.
For now.
I'm going to keep thinking about that for a while.
Yeah. Kind of my gathering box here.
Vases or decor that you don't like, you're not using. So do you have any vases you might?
I do. I have a couple of vases, or at least, well, let's go look.
And the goal is you can easily do one of these each day. That's why there's going to be 9 things under week 4 because there's 30 days in this month. But we're just doing all of them in this video to make it easier for everybody.
You don't want to have to watch this every single day. Come on, we're going to do one thing. Here's where I keep my old vases. See, I'm shrinking so I can't reach anymore.
See if I can do it.
Don't let it break. No,
that's one way to get rid of it.
Okay, I'm going to leave those 2 back there because I hardly ever use vases, but I do have some that are nicely painted, so I am going to get rid of this one.
Seasonal decor that doesn't get used. Do you have any seasonal decorations?
I do. I have something I've been looking at year after year. It's little coffee or hot chocolate or Christmas cups that I haven't used. I keep thinking I'm going to use them. Now I'm going to get rid of them.
I do remember this from previous
I know.
videos.
I said I'm going to get rid of them, and then I put them back up there, and I never get them down. We never use them. So I'm going to declutter them.
Do you want me to get down there?
No, look at me. I'm down on the floor.
She's down.
I'm down. Let's see. This were my other vases. These are some Christmas things.
Are you going to keep those or get rid of those?
I'm going to keep these 2.
Okay.
I'm going to get rid of these 2 plates.
You are? Okay.
Yeah, I don't need those.
I'm surprised by this because I know we went through this a while ago and you were happy about keeping these. So it just shows you the more you go through stuff, you change your mind.
Well, year after year when you don't use them.
Yeah. No, okay. You're making me really nervous.
Oh, God. It's good.
Let me get down
I'm good. I'm good. You know, when you age and your bones just want to stay on the floor.
I'm going to come down and help this stuff back. 4 Christmas mugs going.
Yes, someone will want
and
those.
This is a perfect example of something that, you know, we have talked about in the past.
Right.
And the more we revisit areas, the more you tend to get rid of.
Right.
But we're crouching down here. We're crouching.
Because the camera is low.
We're crouching.
So we're looking really short.
Next on the list is CDs, or DVDs you no longer use?
Okay,
Anything?
I do. I have those little zipper pouches of ones for the car that I never use. I don't even know if I have a CD player in my car, and my computer doesn't have a CD player anymore, so I never play CDs. So,
and I know that we had gone through before and done DVDs with you.
Yeah,
and we got rid of a ton of DVDs.
Yeah, oh yeah, I've thrown away so many of those. Okay, I'm gonna go grab them. Hold on,
Mom. You put them in here, didn't you?
I'm gonna go look over here. Where? I don't see them in here. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, this is where I have my CDs.
Should we have a look through and see what we're gonna find?
Let's see.
Okay, this might be like a time capsule situation.
Oh, yeah.
Southern Rock, yes or no?
Who is it? Leonard Skinner?
Well, it's Southern Rock. Yeah, Leonard Skinner's on there.
Okay. Yeah, save
Marshall
that one.
Tucker.
This one, no. This is Stephen Halpern. I've never even heard of him.
DCX, Taking the Long Way.
No, I don't need that. I never listened to that. Pac Bell, I don't even know what that is.
Actual Henley's Greatest Hits. That's probably like stuff you like.
Yeah, that's
Roy Orbison. Yeah. Alicia Keys.
Yes. See, I can play these in my van. I think I might have a CD player.
Rod
but I don't
Stewart.
know. I'm not sure.
Swing tunes.
Where will I play them anyway if I wanted to listen?
In the car, you said.
Okay. Oh, in the car has a CD player. Okay.
You had mentioned in the car.
Okay.
Because we had discussed this list earlier, and we are going to be going camping soon. Camping. We're going to have a video coming about camping. When you drive up to go camping, there's no radio. Yes. There's no music or anything.
You know what? This is funny. REO Speedwagon used to be my favorite group. And my friend and I, we just went and watched them live at one of the casinos. So that was fun.
Rod Stewart, too.
Yeah.
Johnny Mathis.
Oh, yeah. I love Johnny Mathis.
So far we've grabbed out 3.
Okay. Surfing tunes. Little GTO. Okay. I'm going to keep that. I know.
Oldies but goodies.
Oh, yes.
Very White.
Very White.
Yes or no?
Gonna get down. Wonder Boys. I have no idea what that is.
Nora Jones.
I don't need that one. I can't get it out.
I like Nora Jones, actually. Goodbye.
Okay, so I'm going to get rid of those, and I'm going to combine them all and put them in one thing for camping.
Good.
Yay. Okay.
Next on the list is old greeting cards. Do you have any?
No, I've already gone through everything. Yeah, I already decluttered.
That was something you went through when we did all the photos, I think. You went through all the greeting cards.
Yes, I only saved a few.
Craft supplies you'll never use. We have to probably head back to your office. We're going back and forth.
Here we go.
I'll link it below, but we have a whole video going through all your craft stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So if you want to check that out, I will have the link in the description.
I got these for the kids a long time ago. Why don't you give them to the kids to use? I can get them out of my house.
Okay.
Actually, hold that. I've got another one too.
We do have a craft drawer for the kids to use paper. This is good paper, so.
And they can just go.
Oh my gosh, there's 2 of them.
I know.
Well, you know what I can do is if we don't need this one, I can donate it to their school.
And this is for Emmett for middle school.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, what else?
I never take anything, but I will, especially if I can donate this one. Next on the list is one sentimental item that no longer serves you.
That stuff in there.
This little box here.
So this little tchotchke box is for the kids. They're their pictures. But this one little thing, I saved it from, it belongs to my brother. So I'm going to give it to him. He had gotten rid of it. I don't think he knew. So I kept it. So I'm going to give it back to him. One
surface area, table, dresser, counter to clear off and reset. Do you think you have a spot?
Right behind me. Yeah, I have a box here for camping.
Okay, so we're going to put all the camping stuff in there that you're going to take.
Yeah, I'm starting to collect newspapers and stuff for the fire.
And I'm going to get this out of here because this was the stuff you just pulled out.
This goes into this cupboard over here. Okay, this is a gift for my friend.
Something's being decluttered.
That can just go in the art pile. Business and taxes stuff we got to go through.
And as she's clearing off this desk here, I just want to let everybody know that if you need some extra help decluttering, I do have an ebook that goes into more detail on how to declutter, stay motivated, things to declutter and all of that. So I will have all that information linked below. And also, we have 3 more videos in this series that we've already done. So I'm going to have all that linked below as well. So you can declutter with us or in the future.
I bought this apron. I don't know why. I like the material from IKEA. I've never used it, and it's just sitting there. It's one of those purchases.
Can you return it or no? Too late?
Nah. Can you use it for anything? No.
I'm decluttering an apron in this whole series already from
Okay,
IKEA.
I'm just going to get rid of this right now.
Okay.
It's not sentimental. It's not one of those items. It could fall into something, but I'm sick of looking at it.
One more thing we found.
The mystery fabric. There'll always be something you don't know what it is. I was going to make something. I have the blue thread. I have, when did I buy
this? Be a pillow?
11 of 24. I got to put these books away.
Where do they go?
I don't know.
To the thrift store.
No.
But I think these could go, either be decluttered, just an idea, or
I could put them in my book.
They could go in the bookcase.
Yeah, I'll put them in the bookcase up there.
I think you have some room. With only a few minutes work, my mom was able to clear off this surface. This is everything that my mom found during this week of decluttering. We were able to find all of this stuff.
That's pretty good.
In only a few minutes. And you can imagine how easy this would be if you just went one item per day.
Yeah.
One area.
Just have the list.
I also have this all in a blog post, which I will link down below. Click right here and you can see all the other videos in this series.
Thank you.
Bye.